Have you ever wondered if your kidneys are working properly? Many people overlook the importance of kidney health. Today we are going to reveal 12 silent signals that indicate kidneys. Pays close attention because the number 7 will leave you shocked. Number 12. Food tastes like metal. Your taste buds are designed to detect different flavors, are equipped with various receptors that interact with specific molecules. However, when your kidneys can't properly filter the waste, is produces an accumulation of substances like the urea in the blood is high. Urea level may ultimately affect your taste buds. This can cause the perception of a taste. Persistent metallic in the mouth often is described as a bitter, sour, or unpleasant that won't go away. Number 11. Foamy or bubbly urine. When the kidneys function properly as filters, removing waste and excess fluid in your body without. However, when the small filters of kidneys called nephrons are damaged or deteriorate, proteins can leak into the urine. Normally, proteins are too big to pass through the kidney filters. But when these filters are damaged, the proteins can escape into the urine, making it look foamy or bubbling. When these filters are deteriorated, can be a sign of kidney disease. Conditions such as nephrotic glomerulonephritis syndrome or even diabetes can cause leaks in these filters. Number 12. Shortness of breath after very little. Have you ever run out of breath after a short walk or after climbing some stairs? If it's so, you might be experimenting any symptoms that might be related to a health problem. Hidden kidney disease can cause a decrease in production of red blood cells, driving anemia. In turn, reduces the oxygen carrying capacity. You feel out of breath, and even the minor activities seem to you overwhelming. If you experience difficulty to breathe persistently, what makes it difficult? It is essential to consult your doctor. May perform tests to assess the kidney function and determine the cause. Underlying. Number 9. Cramps. The link between the muscle cramps and illness. Renal imbalance lies in the electrolytes such as potassium, calcium, and phosphate, which are regulated by the kidneys. When the kidneys are insufficient, imbalances occur, causing cramps and muscle spasms. Are important. Understand that kidney disease can progress silently without symptoms visible. So if you experience unexplained muscle cramps, or you should see a doctor, especially if you have other factors of risk of kidney disease such as diabetes or high blood pressure. Number 8. Erectile dysfunction in men. Erectile dysfunction, as a comment known as erectile dysfunction, is the inability to obtain or maintain a proper erection for the activity. Affects millions of men in all over the world and can be caused by various factors such as stress, blood circulation, or imbalances. One of the reasons for this link is that kidney disease can cause hormonal imbalances, including a reduction in levels of testosterone that can affect between the sexual function in addition to the buildup of waste in the blood that occurs in kidney disease can damage blood vessels and nerves, disrupting normal blood flow needed for a healthy erection. If you or a loved one suffers from erectile dysfunction, is important to talk about with your healthcare professional. Number SI. Breathe ammonia when your kidneys are not working. As of toxins and waste accumulate in the bloodstream. Is accumulation includes a substance called urea that is normally removed through the urine. However, in cases of kidney disease, urea can accumulate in the body, which leads to elevated levels of ammonia, and here it is where the breath comes into play. Ammonia has a distinctive pungent smell that can be detected by breathing by. Therefore, if you notice a strong smell similar to that of a cleaning product or household ammonia coming out of your mouth, this could be a warning sign of kidney problems. It is important not to ignore this smell, as this can indicate that your kidneys have difficulties in removing toxins from effective way. Number 6. Swelling persistent around the eyes. Perhaps ask, what is the connection between the kidney and pouch health around the eyes? Well, it's all about fluid balance. When kidneys do not work efficiently, can properly regulate levels of body fluids, which can cause fluid buildup, especially on the eyelids. Lower this excess fluid. Provoca estis. Swelling. If you notice swelling persistent around the eyes, is important not to ignore it. Instead, consider it a potential red flag, indicating an underlying kidney problem. This is a sign that your kidneys are not processing fluids and waste as they should be. Aware that eye puffiness too may have other causes such as allergies or lack of sleep. However, if it does not improve with lifestyle changes and persists over time, it's worth it. Discuss this with his teacher. Eye of the health. Number 5. Feeling more and more tired. Extreme fatigue or exhaustion is one of the symptoms. Common problems associated with the problems. When your kidneys aren't working correctly, they may not be able to effectively dispose of waste and toxins in your body. This can lead to a buildup of harmful substances causing fatigue and a general feeling of exhaustion. In addition, renal dysfunction. Anemia can also cause anemia. It happens when your body doesn't have enough red blood cells to transporting oxygen to your tissues. Lack of oxygen can cause you to feel tired, weak, and fatigued easily. Number 4. Dry skin and with itching when our kidneys don't. Toxins and waste accumulates in our body. These substances can cause inflammation and irritation, causing itchy and dry skin. One of the urea is a product of waste that is normally excreted through the urine. When our kidney levels are compromised, of urea in the blood can increase. This can make our skin dry, sting, and irritate the bond between the kidney problems and dry skin looks, further strengthened by the fact that the kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of fluids in our body. When our body can work poorly, suffer fluid retention, which causes that our skin becomes dry and dehydrated. Number 3, being cold when others they're hot. Have you ever felt chills in a room when everyone else was perfectly fine? Hot you may have dismissed as a simple sensibility to the cold, but you knew this could be a sign of kidney problems. When the kidneys are compromised, do not produce enough erythropoietin, a hormone responsible for stimulate the production of blood cells. Red blood cells. Without enough red blood cells, our body's ability to transport oxygen and heat to our limbs seen committed. As a result, we can feeling cold even in environments hot due to anemia. So yes, you're constantly cold while others have heat is essential. Consult your healthcare professional. Number of faces swollen or swollen. When your kidneys are insufficient, have difficulty eliminating effectively excess salt and liquid of your system, this can cause fluid retention and last instance cause facial swelling. But that's not all. Kidney dysfunction can also cause an increase in blood pressure, further contributing to water retention and swelling. Facial. If you notice swelling or swelling persistent or unexplained on your faces, it is important to consult a healthcare professional. Health. Number 1, brown or red urine. When the kidneys are involved, may allow red blood cells to leak into urine and discoloration. However, it is important to note that it does not all cases of brown or red urine indicate certain kidney disease. Foods such as beets or fences may temporarily change the color of urine, plus physical activity, strenuous or dehydration as well, can lead to darker urine without. However, if the discoloration persists or goes accompanied by other symptoms such as pain, frequent urination is a must. Consult a healthcare professional if you have any of these symptoms. Be sure to consult a professional health screening to get an evaluation, comprehensive analysis of your kidney health. Thank you for looking. Stay informed and take care of your kidneys. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips on. Bless you. N.